Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So the first thing you can do is go to Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi, and first turn it off, then turn it on. Then check if the network you are trying to connect to is even available. I'm gonna connect to this network because I haven't connected yet, honestly, but I'm gonna just enter its password and click on connect. And now I am connected, as you can see. If you still are not connected, then you may want to click on three dots here, Advanced Settings, Manage Networks, and click on the network that you are either connected to but doesn't have internet, or a network that is not discoverable and you cannot find it here. Find it in like the connection settings, then you should find it here if you have been connected to it in the past. Then you can just make sure that auto reconnect is on, then try reconnecting to it. And if it still doesn't work, click on forget. Then select the network you want to connect to, enter its password, connect, and then see if it connects. If it still doesn't, then try restarting your router by, for example, unplugging it from power source, waiting for a moment and plugging it back in. If it still doesn't work, then there's the two last options. First, restart your phone. So I'm gonna press and hold on power and volume down, then click on power off and click on power off again. Then I'm gonna press and hold on the power button after like 15 seconds. Release it after Samsung logo comes up on the screen. And now you can just unlock your phone and try redoing the steps that I have done previously, so you can just rewatch the video and repeat the steps. If they still don't work, then there is the last thing you can do is go to Settings, General Management, Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, reset settings, and now it'll forget all of your Wi-Fi networks. You can go to Connections, Wi-Fi, make sure it's enabled, and connect to the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. And click on connect. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.